Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see from the title, I am doing a deep clean and decorate in my kitchen today. So I can't wait to get this sparkly clean and get out some Christmas decor. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it.
On its merry way, and for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day.
So once I had the kitchen nice and clean, it was time to start my favourite thing, which is the decorating. And I wanted to do like a bit of a Christmas village in the kitchen windowsill. So I picked up this fake snow from B&M, and I'm just going to sort of drape that across, adding in the trees and the houses. And it was such a simple thing to do, but I think it just looks so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then we can move on to the rest of the kitchen. So I totally forgot that we had these trees, and I do have two of them, but I can only find the one. So I know that we're missing a box somewhere. I'm going to need to get Rob to go back in the garage, have a bit of a dig around, because I'm also missing some red decorations that I used upstairs last year. And I'm going to need those because I want a few more pops of red in the kitchen. I don't want to go too balls to the wall with the red in the kitchen because it's such a small room. I don't want it to feel just overwhelming and heavy. So yeah, I want to try and keep it neutral but with some pops of red. And yeah, I also love this glass Christmas tree that I got last year. I think I added loads of sweets last year, but this year I just want to add in some red decorations. So hopefully we do find that missing box. If not, I am just going to have to buy a few more. But I'm really loving how this is all coming together. It's neutral with the pops of red. It's cozy. Yeah, I'm really loving it so far.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. Feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
So I'm not really sure what's going on with the lighting in this section, but I actually really like it. It's making it look very vintage. But once I finished doing the cup stand, I remembered that I bought some new Christmas mugs. So I went in and re-jiggled that about. Obviously, I haven't washed any of them up yet, but don't worry, they are definitely going to be washed up before used. I just wanted to get it out to see what it'd look like. So yeah, the red ones I just popped away for now and then use these ones. I think I actually end up stacking those red ones just on the counter as decor, and then I'll use like the neutral ones, but I really like how it looked. I also picked up a new gingerbread candle and another candle from B&M, which is a White Company dupe. B&M have got so many White Company dupes at the moment, and look at it, it's so pretty. I love that again, it's very sort of neutral, toned down, it's not in your face, but it is really pretty. So I'm just going to go around adding the final few touches. I also do go back in and add in some lights to the windowsill. It just makes the whole thing pop, especially at night when we're watching the telly and we have all of the twinkle lights on. It's just so pretty.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside, and all of the presents
I love how everything's turned out. I definitely want to go in and tweak it a little bit, add a little bit more red once I find the perfect decorations. I'm being very intentional. I don't want to just buy anything. It really needs to fit the space. So once I've done that, that'll be in a future video. But I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. I hope you've got some decor inspo. Let me know down in the comments if you've decorated your kitchen and what theme you've gone for this year, and I'll see you back here in my next one.
So please